here we are in West Bath, in front of the Littlefield School, Mill Cove District, number 3, restored 2009, built in 1853. From what I understand, it was abandoned for a long time, and then 2009, they turned it all around, decided to save it. It's a beautiful part of Maine out here. I mean, I just spent the last like 30 or 40 minutes driving around a bunch of side roads and I saw a lot of cool stuff. But yeah, I'm actually heading back into Bath itself to work. And that I make a little pit stop along the way. Let's see if we can't poke in through one of the windows, see what it looks like. Well, first let's take a look around the side, in the back here. This is all one big pond too. It's hard to tell though because everything's so tall. Gorgeous piece of property. There's a lot of new homes too out here. Like, there are real estate signs dotted up and down these roads. Little basement door. An open house sign. Very interesting. Well, beyond that sign, I can't really see a whole lot of anything else. And she is closed. And there we can see part of the, looks like the classroom. Not much else. Let's go around the side. They put plexiglass on the windows here. Can you guys see in there? Oh, there you go. It's hard with that plexiglass over the glass because it plays with the camera a little bit. Beautiful. Classroom furniture sure has come a long way. Let's see if we can't look in from the other side, from the back. This is not going to be very clear, but maybe we'll see something. Can you guys see in there? I can't. Not very good. Very foggy. There's got to be one enormous attic space up there, just by looking up from the ground floor. I think that's it. Just wanted to show you the Littlefield School here in West Bath. We'll wrap it up with a front shot of the building here.